Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, Leos. We are picking few cards, guys. These are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity, Leos, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy. So you can stay tuned for that reading, guys. So let's start with these cards here. We have Three of Spheres in reverse, sorry guys, the Papist and Nine of Suns in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Leos, in your work situation or in your relationship, maybe today you are maybe tired, or you have a sickness maybe, or you're simply tired or feeling lethargic. You don't want to do anything. You are just whiling away your time, maybe in front of TV or on the couch. You have taken a day off from work, maybe for some of you guys, and you just want to relax and rest, don't want to do anything today. So some kind of laziness has crept upon you. But if you make efforts, guys, if you make even small efforts or work at least a little, you are going to see changes in your situation, guys. But you don't have that mind, you don't feel like doing that maybe. So you feel sluggish, lazy for some reason, and it may be because of some illness. Maybe you are tired, maybe feeling really tired, and you want to relax yourself today, guys. And you must take care of yourself, guys, health wise, Leos. Maybe you may have a health problem. That is the reason for this tiredness and lethargy, because Leos, I see that you are always bubbling with energy, running around, doing a lot of work, but today you feel really tired, lethargic, you just want to stay quiet, rest maybe. So maybe the reason, maybe you are having some, it may be a mental tiredness or it may be physical tiredness, guys, in your situation. And I also see that today, for some of you, there is someone here to help you, guys. It may be your sibling or a parent, maybe your sister or mother. It may be a woman, guys, who is here to help you. It may even be a good friend. So they are guiding you with their wisdom. They are giving you ideas or suggestions what you need to do today. And this person is really positive and they have honest, truthful intentions towards you, and they have positive intentions towards your welfare, and you need to listen to them, guys. Maybe if they are telling you certain things, the way to come out of this situation, maybe this sickness or emotional stress, whatever it may be, guys, Leos. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. We have Lady of the Suns in reverse, guys. So in your relationship, maybe with this person, you may feel that they are kind and loving towards you, but you need to be really careful with this person, guys, because they may have some ideas within their mind. They are here in this connection maybe to make use of you in some ways, so you cannot trust them. Or maybe for some of you, if you have known this person only for a short time, you may not have a total understanding with this person, guys. So you need to be careful, Leos, with this person you love. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It's the Hermit. So, with this card, it just means that you are thinking about certain things in your situation. You want to go for that right actions. You don't want to, uh, make smart work. You want to make smart work and smart choices. You don't want to fail in anything in your work situation. So, you are thinking deeply, maybe. So that may be the reason we saw that lethargy or laziness. So you are in a waiting mode, maybe waiting for the right chance today, guys, Leos. So it may even be the thing in your relationship, guys. Maybe you are waiting to get that clarity in this relationship. So that is the reading with these cards, guys, Leos. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first card and first crystal. This is your second card and second crystal. So whichever card you want to choose, you can first think about your situation. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. So let's start the reading with the first card, guys. For those who chose this card and this crystal. So we will keep this card aside. So this is the card for y'all, guys. Be content. So it just means serenity, acceptance and peace in our situation. So how do we find contentment in our circumstance? We face a lot of struggles, stress, and we fear everything in our situation. Maybe it is time we find that space within ourselves where we are able to accept certain things as they are. Maybe it is time we accept it as they are to give us that peace of mind. So this does not mean that you need to be complacent. It just contentment. It just means that accepting everything in our life as it is. Maybe certain things we are able to change, we have control over. But certain things which we cannot control, we should not let those things hijack our life, take control of us. So you need to embrace the things that you can change for the better, both in your internal and external environment, and working on to make the necessary changes one step at a time. But for those changes which we cannot change or which we do not have any control, we must accept it as it is and do not feel any pain or feeling lost because we are unable to control that circumstance or that choice or that person. So whatever it is, guys. So living one day at a time, not worrying about the past or stressing about the future. So that will also help to bring peace of mind, harmony, balance and serenity in our hearts, guys. So that is the angel's guidance with this card for you all, guys. For those who chose this card, this is the time for peace and happiness, and the way to do that is accepting your situation as it is without stressing. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this crystal and the second card, it says building blocks. So in our life, in this situation, maybe we are making a great progress in our life and things are gaining momentum. right now in our situation, and it is an extraordinary time to focus on the things that are important to us today, guys. Maybe in this relationship, it just means that we are moving towards some new connection, some new relationship, or we are making the existing relationship much more better. We are laying that strong foundation. And how to have that strong foundation in this connection? We must build it on honesty, humility, clear understanding, and that desire and that love to know each other, understand each other. So, by doing that, we are forming a strong foundation in this relationship, and that way, this relationship will withstand any storm or any tough time that we face together, and it will help us to repair and strengthen this connection we have with each other, and we both will grow wiser, powerful, and stronger together. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So in the same way, even in our work situation, the right way to build a strong foundation in our career is by having that positive intentions. So whatever dreams and aspirations we need for us to reach the goals we have in our life, we must feel inspired to do that, and we should march on towards the truth with that truth in our heart. So we want to achieve certain things, we must put our honest efforts, so that way we will be able to reach success very soon, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.